welcome to Profit Ada. So today I'm going to talk about this automata theory. Okay, so in my previous video, as you see, I have done some videos regarding to this automata theory, where I've been explained this DFA, NFA, Turing machines, as well as the push down automata. So at least 12 videos are there, and even I have been shown how you can place the automate orders. Okay, so right now I just came with this thing, as I've been earlier told in my videos that I'm definitely gonna prepare an application for that one. So what you can do is, like, from that signal you can place orders in Upstox with the help of trade button. Okay, and even I suggested to open an account under my referral. So I came with this thing right now, so I'm gonna show you. So we'll go step by step. Okay, so I must say, if you don't have an account under my referral for an Upstox, okay, you can have it with the help of email address and mobile number, and go for the send OTP and confirm them. And then you can go with the sign in application if you have if you want to open an instant account with the help of Aadhaar and PAN card. Okay, so it is if already have an account for that, that also you can follow, and you can have this application. Okay, but I must say that you need to pay some amount for this application, okay, which you can follow from my website. Okay, so right now I'm gonna talk about how things can be done. Okay, so in my previous video I've been already explained how you can go for automata theory, explaining each and everything. Okay, so I'll give the link in the description, so you can follow this post, where exactly I have been explained how this DFA, NFA and automata theory works. Okay, each and everything, by giving examples as well as. Okay, and even I shown automated orders with the help of Zerodha API key, where I've been placed the order. And right now I'm going to show you with the help of Python, how you can create some automated orders, like a semi-automated process will be there. So all you have to do is, like, you have to visit this page, and below this heading you have to follow this code. Okay, and so all you have to do is, like, very much simple, just copy this thing, and some videos which you need to follow from the previous section. Okay, so even already what I've been done is, like, I've been already prepare an application for this Upstox Excel. Okay, so you can visit this profitadaweb.com, or you already know about Upstox Excel, you can visit my videos and you can watch how I have been created this. Okay, so I've been merged this DFA theory, okay, and this through this theory part. Okay, so how you can, like, automate your process, how you can create some applications, how you can create some logic, all I've been so you can utilize this video. So Upstox Excel bulk orders are there, so from that you can place the order, so you can watch the videos. It will be very much helpful. So I've been showing you the format, how you can go for these things, and even this Profit at Upstox Excel, I have been shown you how you can have this format. Okay, so this is an updated format. Okay, from this you can follow, and just if you click this here, so what happens, a page will open, and all you have to do, you have to choose your file which you have been prepared to place orders from Excel, and if you submit, it will place your orders. So I'm going to show you how you can do this stuff. So first of all, I've been already shown these things. So I've been generated some signals. Now you have to understand this DFA. I already told you to watch the videos. Okay, so after getting this theory part, the logic part, okay, I'm gonna put some signals, and there will be a true false will be there. If true has been if it is true, then signals will get generated and your Excel will get populated, and from that one you will place an order. So I have been done a simple, say I want to buy one of stocks. Say suppose if I want to go with the Reliance, or say suppose if I have to go with the Tata Motors. Okay, so So all you have to do is like you have to prepare this symbol, and I have to give this symbol, so the file will be with you. So I've been wherever I've been copied, you can copy the same and can do some changes according. Okay, you can go with the NFO, NSC, whatever you want. Okay, complexity is simple. Okay, so if you watch the videos, you can understand what I'm talking here. Okay, so you have to follow some format. Okay, this is an limit order, so I've been like set some price. Okay, so if I took Tata Motors, it'd be around 190 rupees or 180 rupees, whichever you want, you can go. Okay, and so suppose if the price is suggested 180 rupees or 180, you can check around, you can set the price, and you can prepare a trade button according to that one. Okay, so what I've been done is like from 180 rupees I've been placed a limit order in an intraday. Okay, and plus one should be go on there. So if any dip is there, okay, I should go on and buy in my dip. Okay, so which have been suggested in my theory as well. I have been explained how you can go for this thing. So right now I've been done. Okay, so it is very much simple. Just follow the code, copy paste, and follow some videos. You are good to go. So I'll just show you straight away. Okay, so right now some 8 orders from my signals which have been created. So you can do signals, you can generate according to your logic if you understand this DFA part. And further in my videos I will do applications. I will create my applications which will definitely be in Upstox, creating some semi-automated orders. Okay, so for that I must that you follow this stuff. I have some logic, and if it is not accurate to the required, it will definitely gonna give me a false signal. So I've been not created any Excel, and if I have been followed the term, okay, as per my logic, as per if you see the video, I will surely achieve these orders. Okay, so if I'll check around what I'm gonna doing, so it is also false. Even one more I will try to give. So it is like a sell has been happened, it is started from 0th. Okay, so as you can see, at least 5 things has been created. So I've been generated as per, I've been created a logic where exactly after this thing, after placing a sell, a buy should be there. Okay, so simple steps you can follow from here. So as you can see, for 4 sell orders, buy has been placed. Okay, so whenever like say suppose if the orders are in you want to go for every dip, you want to go for the sell, then this will be the logic. Okay, and at the end it should be like buy for closing that one. So every 1 rupee you want to go with the order. So that's the way I've been populated my CSV. I've been placed the logic. So you can try with this stuff, it will be very much helpful. Okay, so this is the way you can go. And to create logic you should know DFA, and you can arrange this logic as per your requirement. Okay, so suppose if I'll go with this way as buy dip. Okay, so if you try this, the logic should satisfy, otherwise it will give a false signals. So you can check around and it should helpful. So right now I am going to sell in every dip. So this is it will definitely gonna populate my Excel CSV. Okay, so you can check around, you can do it whatever you want. Okay, and you can place the orders as per your requirements. So what my CSV file is there, so it is UPX underscore Excel. So it is populated each and everything. So now it will be very much simple. Okay, I just have to go and I have to choose the file. I have to choose the file. Okay, and just say open, and if I say click on submit, how I am doing. So for every dip I'm go for sell. So suppose if I did sell here, then I'll go for the buy, and if another dip has been happened, I go for the sell, and then I will buy it here. So this is how I'm gonna make profit. so at the end I will buy and close this stuff. Okay, so if I say place order, it will automatically place my order. Okay, since intraday has been done, so I can't place the order, but if it is the market is open, it will definitely gonna place the order. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do try by yourself this thing. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, do contact my direct via WhatsApp. Okay, I've been not done any hard explanation on these things because I've already created videos, so I suggest please go through the videos, which is youtube.com/profitdata/videos. So I must say that go for these things and try to combine and merge. You can watch my videos, free tools are available. Okay, check it out and do try. Thanks for watching. If you have any other queries or requirements, you can contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.